ClickUp versus Notion versus Monday. Which is the best AI project manager? Three of the biggest project management apps just bolted AI on top of everything. ClickUp, Notion, Monday, each one promising to run your projects for you. 5 rounds. 1 winner per round. No hype. Pick wrong, and your team fights the tool every day. Pick right, and the AI runs half your operations. Round 1. AI features. Which one is actually useful day-to-day? ClickUp Brain summarizes tasks, writes updates, and answers questions across your workspace. Notion AI is the cleanest writing assistant inside docs and databases. Monday AI focuses on automation and predictive analytics. Ask any of them to summarize your week. ClickUp Brain wins for breadth. Notion AI wins for writing quality. Monday wins for predicting what will slip. Round 2. Customization. How much can you bend it to your workflow? ClickUp gives you 15 views and dashboards out of the box. Monday gives you boards and a clean visual builder. Notion gives you a blank page that becomes literally anything. Need a CRM, a wiki, a content calendar, and a project tracker that all link together. Notion is the only one that lets one tool be all four. Round 3. Ease of use. Can your team actually use this on day 1? Monday is the most visual and the most plug-and-play. ClickUp is powerful, but the menus take a week to learn. Notion is simple to start, but a bottomless pit of features once you go deep. If you onboard non-technical teammates, Monday wins by a mile. They are productive in an hour, not a week. Round 4. Pricing. Where most people get burned. ClickUp is $7 per user per month, and the AI add-on is $7 more. Notion is $10 with AI included. Monday starts at $12, and the AI is bundled in higher tiers. For a solo founder or a small team, Notion is the cleanest deal. AI is included, and you pay for one tool, not 3. Round 5. Team collaboration. How does it scale past 5 people? ClickUp has chat, docs, whiteboards, and time tracking baked in. Monday has the cleanest dashboards for managers. Notion is great for async writing, but weak for live work. If you run a real ops team with weekly stand-ups and reporting, ClickUp keeps everything in one place. No tool sprawl. Here is the real answer. If you are a solo founder or a small team, Notion is the smartest dollar. If you run a real ops team, ClickUp is the all-in-one. If you need visual project management for non-technical teammates, Monday wins. Subscribe for a new AI comparison every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Real tools, real results. No PhD required.